that?
Look at me.
What the hell is that?
There's snow in our garden.
Holy cow, y'all. Snow in Florida. They're forecasting that we're going to possibly break like a 130-year-old record. Somewhere between like 4 and 8 inches of snow is possible. You know, we never, ever get, well, basically never get this. I think the last time may have been, back in the 80s, but nothing like this. So we're really excited. It's going to be a ton of fun. We'll see how much snow we actually get. It's weird to think that every time it rains, it would, I mean, this, all it's doing right now is raining, right? It's just cold. So you never see how much rain builds up on stuff because it washes away.
Come on, Snow Puppy.
Snow Puppy! And they're talking like it may do this most of the night. So like, wake up in the morning and there's like a ton of this. I've been around this property since I was a little kid, which is now our farm, and I've seen it snow a couple times over the years. The last time was like 1989, and it may have snowed, like an inch or two. So to ride around now and see the areas that we're used to riding around being really hot and normally sweaty, covered in blanket in snow is it's really cool.
He said if it's all tomorrow, he might come out. I see what brand the trailer. Right left.
It's the no gloves part that'll get you. Hell, I'm unsure. You don't know what you're stepping on.
I wonder how Daisy could do it.
Crazy.
Gotta do it again! No, gotta do it again! Oh, that went in my shirt! Oh no! Storm Day, Mommy!
It's gonna be a good one. Like Elf.
No, wait.
Oh man. Oh, that was mean.
Who wants to jump in?
I'm thinking about it. It should be a polar plunge, right?
Carmen looks so cold.
She's a snow pup. Poor Daisy.
Hi, Carmen.
Marcus has Duke out in the snow now.
That's good.
He looks so cute with the little white flurries on his head.
Oh no, Emma's blanket.
Yeah,
It's frozen over.
blanket looks real warm and toasty.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go wrap up on the couch. Another finger.
Yeah, why not? Pretty good. So at this point, we were probably up to 3 or 4 inches of snow, which again is like double anything we've seen in, whatever, 30 years plus. And you could tell, I mean, everything just looks different. It was obviously hard to see. Visibility was bad, but in a good way. And everything was so quiet. that's what he does. I guess I guess we might as well put his damn bed right there by the door.
Come here. Come here, girlfriend.
Two dumbass cats causing us misery.
I've got to stay with him. One's tucked away. I could just slay him.
I'm saying we should be sledding somewhere right now. We really could do it too. We go down the hill up the hill between the pit and the gun range. More closer to the pit, but just have to figure out what to use since we don't have a sled. Thanks again, your mama. We can figure out something though.
Work.
The last place we saw him was actually behind you, but I don't. If you can see all of that, he could have scurried around somewhere else.
I think he did.
He definitely did.
He's probably underwater, dude. I would dive down just a foot or two because you don't want to get cold.
I think by the time he got out there, the duck probably got out of the pond.
Yep, there you go. You got to go after him
You're getting out faster.
with his teeth.
Don't let him win.
Hey, everybody, go that way. Go, Carmen. Go.
What if like a duck attacked Will?
You could actually take the canoe over here and go in easy now.
Right now.
We got a canoe with us.
Yeah,
There's one over there.
Oh, no, we got...
I got my rogue canoe.
Oh.
The big one.
Oh, yeah,
I was saying you could use the sledding canoe.
Yeah.
Bro, we just need to take Malcolm's. What are you gonna do?
All right, y'all get in there.
Absolutely horrendous.
Man, what a picture.
It's only mildly terrifying.
Is there a trick to this that makes them more secure, or do we just loop them over?
Just leave him back over.
Okay.
POV. Oh yeah. Florida. This don't happen here. Ever. Not something we're used to having to do. Dig out your windshield wipers. Wow. That's nuts. All right, see if they'll move now. Emma, turn them on. Okay. It's a nut brown ale kind of winter day. Makes sense.
So that's it. We had snow on the ground for another day or two. We had some more fun. Emma had to do some prep work for a barrel racing clinic she had in the coming weekend. So here she is getting that done. After that, we just had a couple more beers and rode around her Bronco around the property. Got some aerial stuff. So good times. Till next time. Glad y'all are here.